Welcome back to Royal Wood Flooring. We're here in downtown Phoenix, one of these beautiful historical homes where we'll be putting plywood, 3/4 inch plywood over this flooring and then nailing down a solid wood floor. We'll have to fill it with 1/2 inch plywood over there. There'll be new plywood all over, a new solid wood floor throughout. This is the little kitchen and this is the bedroom. It's a little tiny home, and this will be the laundry. So we'll have new plywood installed, 3/4 inches thick, 3/4 inches wood, and it'll be flush with the tile. So another beautiful project here in downtown Phoenix. I'll make a follow-up video just as soon as the plywood is installed. So you'll be able to see the overall finished product. Once again, give us a call today, Royal Wood Flooring.